In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find large attachments in Gmail quickly and effortlessly. Instead of sifting through countless emails one by one in search of that elusive attachment, you can streamline the process with just a few clicks. Let's dive into this simple yet effective technique. First, navigate to your Gmail inbox. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll find a very handy tool, the search bar. On the right side of this search bar, you'll notice a small filter icon. Go ahead and click on that icon to open a new menu, providing you with a variety of filtering options. This is where the magic happens. In this menu, we're interested in focusing on two specific fields, the size and the checkbox labeled Has Attachment. Let's tackle the size filter first. Click on the drop-down menu labeled Size. Here, you'll want to set the size parameter to greater than. This will allow you to target emails containing attachments that are larger than a specific size. Now, think about the file size that you suspect the attachment might be. If you're unsure, it's always safe to start with a larger size and gradually lower it if needed. For instance, let's assume you are looking for files around 1 GB. You would enter 1000 MB in the size field. This will narrow down your search to only show files of 1 GB or larger. Once you've set the size, don't forget to tick the checkbox below that says Has Attachment. This ensures that emails returned in the search aren't just large because they're lengthy conversations, but because they contain substantial files. With these criteria set, it's time to see what you find. Click the search button, and Gmail will work its magic to pull up any emails that fit these parameters. It's as simple as that. Now, you'll see a list of all your emails that have attachments greater than the specified size you've entered. This method is not only efficient, but also incredibly straightforward, saving you time and effort. It makes managing and finding large files in your email much less of a headache. Remember, you can always tweak the size parameter depending on your needs, whether you're looking for large videos, high-resolution images, or hefty PDF documents. And there you have it. With these quick steps, you can easily locate those massive files hiding in the depths of your inbox without having to wade through all your emails manually. I hope you find this tip useful in decluttering your inbox or simply in locating that important file you've been searching for. Thanks for watching, and happy Gmail sorting.